Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1. Then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type attrib c: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c: /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.